Hello students, good morning. Student, today is 24th December 2020. New chapter 9 internal trade was going on. Students, in the last class I have started new topic that is relates from retail trade. In this I have taught to you about meaning, features, and after that I have also started services that has been provided by the retailer to manufacturer and wholesaler. In this I have taught only one point, so today I want to continue it from the another point that is related from the personal selling. ओके आपको स्टूडेंट्स जो कल हमने पढ़ाया था आपको उसके आगे से कंटिन्यू करना है. सो पर्सनल सेलिंग्स. So personal selling, you know about that. The goods has been sold out by the retailers directly. So the sale of consumer goods generally requires personal selling efforts. ये क्या गुड्स को सोल्ड आउट करने के लिए पर्सनल सेलिंग एफर्ट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है इन ईच एंड एवरी टाइप ऑफ द गुड्स इन द मार्केट. रिटेलर्स रिलीव द मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड होलसेलर्स फ्रॉम सच एफर्ट्स. रिटेलर क्या करते हैं? पर्सनल सेलिंग गुड्स क्या करते हैं? सो इस तरह की सेलिंग करने के कारण वो क्या होलसेलर और मैन्युफैक्चरर की एफर्ट से हट जाता है. इट मीन्स दैट टाइप ऑफ द एफर्ट्स हैज नॉट बीन डन बाय द मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड होलसेलर्स. सो हियर यू कैन राइट द सेल of consumer goods. The sale of consumer goods generally requires personal selling efforts full stop. Retailers relieve the manufacturers. Retailer relieves the manufacturers and wholesalers from such efforts by making individual sales to consumers in small quantities. Because the consumer will purchase the goods in small quantities and the manufacturer and wholesaler has not sold out in the small quantities to the consumer directly, and that type of the burden related from the personal selling has been reduced by the retailers in the point of view of the manufacturer and wholesalers. Okay. Third point, enabling large scale operations. Okay, listen. Retailers relieve the wholesalers and manufacturer from the retail botherations of making individual sales to consumer in small quantities. So it enables them to operate at large scale and concentrate on the other essential activities. That type of the facilities relates from the selling, relates from any type of the other things as like personal sellings, direct contact with the consumers. So on the basis of that type of the burden, the retailer can remove such type of the operating works on the basis of the wholesalers and retailers. So it will be related from the concentrations. The result is the wholesalers and manufacturer can concentrate on the other essential activities of the growth of their product, okay, and growth of their business. Okay, so here we will write retailers relieve the wholesalers. Retailer relieves the wholesalers and manufacturers from retail botheration. Retail botherations of making individual sales to consumers in small quantities. So the result is it will be enables them to operate at large scale. So here you can write also it enables them to operate at large scale and concentrate on other essential activities. Okay, it means on the basis of that type of thing, the wholesaler and retailer freely from the personal sellings. Okay, so they can concentrate on the other activities. Now fourth point, collecting market information. In the previous class I already told you about it. Collecting market informations, new trend of the market, demand of the market, what is the preference of the customers, what is the taste of the customers. So at that time, that type of the preferences, that type of the attitude of the consumers, that information has been collected by the retailers from the consumers, and then after that they can circulate that type of the information to the wholesalers, and with the help of the wholesaler, that information has been got by the manufacturer. So the information regarding the market situation will be provided by the retailers also. Okay, so it will be increase that type of the information will increase the performance of the business, will increase the product of the business. So here we will write, as retailers are in direct contact with their customers, comma, they provide valuable and reliable market information to wholesalers and manufacturers about the taste preferences and attitude of the consumers, या customers. So that type of the information has been collected by the retailers. Okay, last service, fifth service that has been provided by the retailer to manufacturer and wholesaler, that is help in promotion. Okay, so listen, the manufacturer and wholesalers undertake various promotional activities. आपको ये पता है मैन्युफैक्चरर और होलसेलर्स क्या कई तरह की एक्टिविटीज करते हैं अपने कमोडिटी को, अपने गुड्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू इंक्रीज द सेल ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट, जिसके बेस पर क्या उनका प्रोडक्ट की क्या सेल इंक्रीज हो जाए, लाइक एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, लाइक एनी अदर टाइप्स ऑफ द कूपन्स हैज बीन आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड, फ्री गिफ्ट्स हैज बीन आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड. बट in that type of the promotions of the goods, the retailer has also take a specific part, because at the time of the selling of the goods they can also promote such type of the goods is good or best, what is the other qualities of that type of the goods in the comparison of any other types of the goods. So it is beneficial on the basis of the retailers to promote, to help in the promotion also. So here we will write, the manufacturers and wholesalers undertake various promotional activities in order to increase the sale of their products, as like advertising the products, or offering activities such as coupons. कई तरह के आपने देखे होंगे कूपन्स आ जाते हैं. ओके, फ्री गिफ्ट्स हैज बीन आल्सो इंक्लूडेड. सो फ्री गिफ्ट्स एक्सेट्रा. retailers participate in these activities in various ways and help in promoting the sale of the products. Okay, so that type of the facilities, that type of the promotions facilities that has been also provided by the retailers, that type of the services has been also provided by the retailers to manufacturer and wholesalers. Okay, so now these were the services that has been provided by the retailers to manufacturer and wholesalers. Now we will study about the services that has been provided by the retailers to consumers. So look here. So services to consumers. Okay, so the services rendered by the retailers, here you can write about it. The services rendered by retailers to the consumers are as follows. Okay, point number 1, regular availability of products. Regular availability of products. The retailer can provide that type of the major service to the consumers, to the customer, as per the requirement of the consumers. The retailer available the different types of the product, so it is convenient for the consumers to purchase, to bought any type of the product in a specific place, in a single place. So here you can write, retailer holds stock of various goods produced by different manufacturers and is prepared to sell the goods in small quantities to the customers. That is the main thing. The retailers can sold out the goods in a small quantities as per the requirement of the consumers. So it enables the buyers to choose the products as per their tastes and to buy them एज एंड व्हेन नीडेड, यानी क्या, जब कंज्यूमर्स को, कस्टमर्स को इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, एज पर द टेस्ट, एज पर द प्रेफरेंसेस, द कस्टमर कैन परचेज इट एज पर द requirement. Okay, this is the first and most important service that has been provided by the retailers to consumer. Okay, now second service, that is new products information. New products information. The information about the new product that has been also provided by the retailer to consumers. So here we will write about it. Retailers make effective display of new products and provide significant information as like features, price, okay, etc. about such products to the customers. You know about that. अगर आप किसी रिटेलर के यहाँ जाते हो या आप माना साइट में भी आप विजिट करते हो रिटेलर की साइट में, so different types of the product that has been also provided by the रिटेलर्स. अगर आप किसी की शॉप में विजिट करते हो किसी रिटेलर की शॉप में, सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, दैट टाइप ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन हैज़ बीन आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड बाय द रिटेलर्स विद द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द अट्रैक्टिव डिस्प्ले, ओके, और डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द इफेक्टिव डिस्प्ले. सो इट हेल्प्स द customers in their decision making process for the purchase of those goods. It means on the basis of that type of thing, the consumers can take the decision either that product has been purchased or not, okay, purchase of those goods. So that type of the services has been also provided by the retailers to the consumers. So students, आज की क्लास में इतना ही. In the next class I will continue it, okay.